love Chi-Lan Lieu. That is the gorgeous woman standing next to me, but she's absolutely brilliant. Every time she comes, she brings stuff, and I'm like, that's gonna fall off a truck. That bag that had like the closet with the stack.
Yes.
I mean,
the
her
suitcase.
travel stuff freaked me out. It was like jaw-dropping. It's changed my travel life. I don't know what she's got today, but I'm gonna tell you, she knows what she's talking about.
You're so sweet, Rachael. Oh,
I love it.
You're gonna love all of this stuff because this has actually helped me out in my life a lot, and we have to start out because I'm a doer. For all the doers out there from renovating my sister's house.
Big doer. Big doer.
I have to tell you, as much as I am a doer, I lose all my tools everywhere. So I want to introduce you to the Carhartt Legacy 14-inch tool
First of
bag.
all, you had me at Carhartt. I'm an
Such a great
upstate
brand, right?
New Yorker. We are Carhartt-loving people. We stick by our Carhartt. My dog owns 3 Carhartts, okay? And we are outdoorsy, and we enjoy a Carhartt.
Well, this will get you outdoors because it's water repellent. It has this abrasion-resistant bottom, but the great thing I love, not only does it fit my drill, I can fit a sander in here, but look at all the different pockets for tools. 17 different pockets. You can always find your wrench, your shears, your screwdriver. Everything fits nicely in this bag, ready to go.
A grippy bottom. And it's got feet on the bottom and some rubber on the bottom, so you can even put it down if it's raining or snowing outside. And now,
from the garden to the basement, this will take you everywhere in between as well.
pat on back, pat on back.
Thank you. And it's really affordable. It's only $40 for this great bag.
This portable toolbox that's ultra cool is $40. Thank you, Carhartt.
So great.